Yes, hello everyone, Sid here, back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to discuss about Codeigniter Controller. So how this controller working in Codeigniter, I am explaining you step by step. So I have installed Codeigniter 3 and I'm explaining you how does it work. So by default Codeigniter have welcome.php controller, and I'm explaining you from starting. So PHP syntax is open from here and define base path or exist. No direct script allowed. What is does meaning? So suppose anyone hitting in an URL. Suppose our URL is realprogrammer.in and folder name is application controllers, and this is our controller. Okay, if anyone hitting on function name something, anyone hitting, so don't, this means automatically will exist, we will show something this kind of message, no direct script allowed. So this is for the security purpose, have by default providing by Codeigniter. So I am going to create new controller and check. I am going to here use new controller name is home. I have written already, and home extending to CI controller. CI controller is the parent controller. If we are creating any controller, we need to extend directly CI controller. Okay, this is our CI controller. So I am using here already index. So if anyone suppose within a routes, anyone hitting directly, one second here. So this is controller. So we can also write here functions name. Okay, let's check what we getting here. Code 3. So you can check welcome to home page if anyone hitting here. If also am not writing automatically, will call which function? Index function. So what we are doing here, public function index within a brackets we are passing, this is a object, and we are passing from view, we are passing which view? Welcome. One second, sorry, I'm showing you welcome, this is not welcome, we are going to home, we passing home view, home page within a home folder. Suppose I have admin panel, so an admin header and something else, so I need to put admin and whatever files name, so index I am written here. So we need to create one folder within a view with name of admin, and with admin have one file with name of index.php. okay, so I'm going to hit here, you can check nothing is there. So if I am going to add HTML admin, I'm going to here, now div tag I'm going to open, now h1 tag I'm going to here, what is admin controller, hit, now you can check. So hope so this is clear for you, and if you have any doubt related to controller, please comment on comment section, definitely I will try to resolve your query. Thank you for watching my video.